Hi, I'm Rachel, and today I want to show you how to create hyper-realistic smoke using the Color Therapy app. The marker is the best tool for creating hyper-realistic smoke, combined with the smear tool. The great thing about the marker tool is that it shows the layers underneath it, so you get that delicate, wispy, veiled look. If you look closely at smoke, you'll see that the outside edges of the columns are darker than the inside. So it has sort of layers of fading gray on the inside. So that's what we want to aim for. So the first thing you want to do is tap to fill in the background with a neutral color. I'm going to use this light brown color under Essential Hopeless Romantic, and I'm setting it to gradient, and I'm just going to tap to fill it in with radial gradient so it's lighter on the middle. Then scroll over to Shades Gray. Make sure you set that to solid now, and you want to choose a light, medium, and a dark gray color. In the manual mode, select the marker tool, set the opacity to 3% and the size to 85. Start off with the lightest color first. You want to work from light to dark, and just start at the bottom of the page and then sort of do a curving shape upwards, and then just draw a rounded bulb shape and then bring it down into sort of a tornado shape. Then you can outline that again and then just bring a curve up there above that and be kind of loose with it. I mean, the smoke is going to be twisting and curving and moving in its own direction. So you can just draw a few little lines here and there in the background. Just remember with the marker tool that those layers do start to overlap and you can see the layers beneath them, so keep that in mind. Then you want to lower the size to 15 and then trace some of those outlines to get more detailed lines. And I'm just mostly focusing on a few shapes at a time. Next, switch over to the medium gray that you have and do the same thing and just continue to outline those abstract shapes. So I'm just sort of focusing on this shape right here. Continue adding in soft curving layers. Try to make them blend as softly as you can. Now switch over to your darkest gray and add another layer. And continue drawing a few more of those shapes based on your reference. You can also lower the size to 0 for detail areas. Continue adding in layers and layers of abstract shapes, and repeating the same steps for shading them. Lastly, the secret tip is to use a smear tool and just smear a few areas of the smoke, and just drag your finger downward and just kind of go with the shape and the motion of each of those shapes. And I would recommend just blending and smearing just a few areas of the smoke, so don't do all of it, just a few here and there. Although it looks complicated, it's actually pretty simple and fun with these steps. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.